Hello, my name is Adrián Esteban Aldaue. The course name is World Behind. Instructor Diego Vargas and Albert Torres. This evidence is the video. Topic: Workplace, Wellness and Productivity. I live in the city of Bogota, Colombia. I work at Westin Electric. Yeah. Apology for the neighbor's music. Continue. Nutrition and healthy eating. Healthy foods guide gives energy. Good nutrition improves concentration. Cooking healthy meals is important. Eating vegetables and fruits helps prevent diseases. Physical activity and exercise. The exercise improves physical health. Sport reduces stress. Physical activity increases productivity. Exercise helps maintain energy. Mental wellness and organization process. Companies provide active break. Good work environment improved motivation. Stress management is important. Mental health improves performance. Reference: World Health Organization, Harvard Health Publicity, Mayo Clinic, course learning material. Well, behind is very important because it helps us improve our health and productivity. First, nutrition is essential in our daily life. Eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, and proteins, and drinking water gives us energy and improves concentration. Cooking healthy meals is important for your body. Second, physical activity and exercise are necessary to maintain good health. Activities like running, play soccer, going to the gym, and cycling help reduce stress and improve physical condition. Also, exercise increases productivity because it makes us feel active and motivated. Mental wellness is another important factor. In companies and schools, active breaks, teamwork, and stress management improves the environment and help people feel better. Thank you for your attention.